Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel for Chinese food where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, we have a very special topic to share with you, the secrets of learning Chinese cuisine. In this video, we will delve into the world of Chinese cuisine and show you how to create delicious Chinese dishes in the comfort of your own home. Have you ever wondered why Chinese dishes are always so tasty? Besides cooking techniques, the key lies in the selection and use of ingredients. Secret 1. Chinese cuisine incorporates a range of distinctive ingredients that contribute to its unique flavors as the following elements. 1. Scallions. Known for their mild onion flavor, scallions are widely used as a garnish or aromatic base in Chinese cooking. 2. Ginger. With its spicy and fragrant taste, ginger adds depth and warmth to dishes. It can be sliced, minced, or grated. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a staple in Chinese cuisine, known for its strong and savory flavor. It can be chopped, crushed, or minced. 4. Other common Chinese ingredients include Chinese mushrooms, bean sprouts, water chestnuts, and bamboo shoots. Secret 2. Let's talk about the cooking methods used in Chinese cuisine, which are sure to make your cooking journey more exciting. 1. Stir-frying. This high-heat cooking technique involves quickly frying ingredients in a small amount of oil while constantly stirring them. 2. Marinating. Preparing meats by marinating them in a flavorful mixture, allowing the flavors to penetrate and tenderize the meat. 3. Sautéing. Similar to stir-frying, sautéing involves cooking ingredients over medium to high heat in a shallow pan with a small amount of oil. 4. Boiling, steaming, and braising are also commonly used Chinese cooking methods. Secret 3. Chinese cuisine has a wide range of commonly used seasonings and techniques as the following items. 1. Soy sauce. Made from fermented soybeans, soy sauce is a versatile seasoning that adds saltiness and umami to dishes. 2. Oyster sauce. A rich and savory sauce made from oyster extracts. It enhances the flavors of stir-fries and marinades. 3. Cooking wine. Chinese cooking wine, such as Shaoxing wine, adds depth and aroma to dishes. 4. 13 spice blend. A mixture of 13 aromatic spices. It is commonly used to season meats and vegetables. 5. Cumin. Used in many Chinese regional cuisines, cumin adds a distinct earthy and fragrant flavor. 6. MSG monosodium glutamate, a commonly used flavor enhancer in Chinese cooking. It adds umami and depth to dishes. When venturing into Chinese cooking, besides the above-mentioned ingredients, cooking methods, and seasonings, there are some important things to keep in mind. First, using high-quality ingredients is crucial to ensure the freshness and flavor of the dishes. Second, Chinese cuisine emphasizes a balance of flavors, including sweet, sour, spicy, and salty. Last but not least, feel free to explore different ingredients and cooking combinations, adding your personal touch and creating unique Chinese delicacies. Let's enjoy the pleasure of cooking and explore the fascinating world of Chinese cuisine together. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!